The Golden Secrets of Drawing number 6. There are no rules. There are no rules. There is no particular way you have to draw. There is no style you have to copy. How you draw is as unique to you as your handwriting. There are methods and conventions that make drawing easier when you understand them, but they are not rules that you must follow. Sir Isaac Newton, the great scientist and natural philosopher who discovered gravity, famously said, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." While I don't claim to be one of the greats myself, I have learned what I know by standing on the shoulders of great artists who came before me, building on what they learned through trial and error. I've learned about drawing from those great artists and from the experience I gained in a long career as an illustrator. By passing on that knowledge, I hope you can skip a lot of heartache. The biggest lesson I learned is to stop talking about it, stop thinking about it, and just do it. Thanks for watching. Now go and pick up a pencil, any old pencil, and draw something. Here's an idea. How about a clock? Make sure you are subscribed to the Shoe Rainer Drawing channel and keep coming back for lots more drawings and advice. In the meantime, keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.